Creating a pollinator-friendly garden is a key part of urban homesteading and supports both your food production and the local ecosystem. It's a powerful way to enhance the productivity of your veggie patch, fruit trees, and even your beehive, all while fostering a sustainable food system for your family. Start by selecting a variety of plants that bloom at different times of the year. This ensures a continuous food supply for pollinators like bees, which are essential for pollinating your crops and boosting yields. Native plants are the best choice, as they thrive in local conditions and attract a wide range of beneficial insects. Flowers like lavender, bottlebrush, and grevillea are all favorites for Australian bees and butterflies. To further support pollinators, provide natural shelter by leaving parts of your garden a bit wild. Native grasses, shrubs, and small patches of bare soil can offer nesting spots for ground nesting bees, while bird baths with rocks give them a place to drink and rest. This is especially helpful for urban farmers raising bees, as healthy pollinators mean healthier hives and a more abundant honey harvest. Avoid using pesticides, as they can harm the very creatures you want to attract. Instead, adopt natural pest control methods and allow the balance of nature to help manage your garden. With thoughtful planning, your urban homestead will not only produce food and honey for your family, but also become a thriving haven for pollinators. The result? A healthier, more self-sufficient lifestyle that benefits both you and the environment.